This is 2025. Now you can easily create your own personal portfolio site, or either for yourself or your client. Now let's get started and see how we can build our personal portfolio or site using latest and greatest AI tools, and also launching those sites to the web so anyone can access your personal portfolio everywhere. So let's get started. As you can see, I have already created a demo, and this is not only a demo, this is my startup basically, which is Ivory. This is basically an AI brute force mechanism that helps people and humans to shape in their own business purposes. So as you can see, this is one of the basic site that I have used Super Grok website to clone it, not properly but semi-cloned. Okay, as you can see, we have a header where left side it's a logo. It's basically a logo of the personal business, and this is the navigation panel, and you can change this navigation panel according to the view, like tablet view. There are different type of navigation used. Okay, and there is a back button to it will completely goes to the login page where you can easily access our latest AI tools. So this is Ivory, and you can check out, this is really fantastic application, but this is fortunately a clone application, so you don't have to write a single code. Instead, you just simply need to go to AI software, AI tools, and you can simply build there. And as you can see, the products are highlighted with stroke effects, and it uses also the glow effect, and you can use different type of customizations with a single line of codes. As you can see, I have also mentioned some of the statistics reports for clients easier help. And for the about section, you can see it's interacting with my mouse click, and you can create this type of amazing website, only the portfolio website, using AI tools. So let's see how we can build that. So first, you need to understand that this is a portfolio site, not e-commerce application or other dynamic application. Means it's a one-page website. There is another thing. Before we start this video, you need to understand three important things for the website. First one is the HTML, which is the hypertext markup language. It means that your website with the extension that we needed to upload, which saved basically index.html file that we need most. Another thing, the host, where to host this thing, like where to copy those files, where to run it. So we need basically a virtual computer, which means a host or a server. So for this case, we will use Netlify free platform where you can drag drop your multiple HTML files. You can host your website lifetime without any of charge. And third one is the domain name. Domain name means if you have, or if you want to customize your website with different names like google.com, ivory.space, so you means abc.com or .in. These are the domains basically, so you can easily configure your domain also. So you can create a one-page website. Okay, so now for this tutorial, I'm going to clone this Gemini website. Okay, this is the really looking awesome because it's a clean and minimal, and you can see those icons, those curves layouts are simply awesome. The gradient buttons are really nice. So we try to copy this website or clone this. So we will simply just copy this. Okay, we simply just copy like that. Okay, simply copy that. And you have to do one another thing, which is need to screenshot that entire thing. So to screenshot that, I personally use the snippet tool, but you can use anything. So we will simply search for the snippet, and we will go to the new option. As you can see, it captured the screen. Now you can simply also do different type of things, like we can record a video. So click on new, and we can paint it over the screen like that to capture the screen part. Now we can simply play this. It's a 3 2 1. Now copy the entire screen by scrolling it. Okay, just simply scroll like that. Now it's done. Simply close it. Now it's opening a simple different window. We're just going to save it, or you can do another thing, like you can copy that from here. Simply open the Google AI Studio. This is the free Gemini application or Google AI Studio. So first you go to the build option. Okay, build option here. Open this and simply put that or paste that mp4 file, and simply type like clone this website, required same widgets, navigation, logo placements, colors, gradients, layouts, contents, tents, videos, everything same, saturations, animations, create one page lighter type. Okay, like that. You can also change the models if you like to. This is Gemini 3 Pro, and basically this is the React TypeScript. You need to select that because it will help for Netlify to identify the website. And we will simply click the build, but before we do, I will paste the link, pasted the link of the website. Okay, so it's copied basically, so we simply go to and copy that. So basically it will run overall thing and it will start creating a basic layout first. So as you can see, it's loading, basically it's running basically, and it's basically compiling your request as you have sent the website navigation and everything, all that. So we'll simply wait, that's it. As you can see, this is running, and obviously because this is a free model, and if you have a pro version of the Gemini, this is a preview, not a pro for my account. So if you have the upgraded account, you can easily build that. Okay. As you can see, there are different type of files like index or tsx, app.tsx, because we have used the React script, so that's why these are the files, and this is the HTML. Okay, files. So let's see. As you can see that our website is pretty much created, and the layouts and basically the design that I give to understand Gemini to copy it. Basically, it created a portfolio site. As you can see, the plans are also mentioned, the buttons are also reacted, and everything, like you can change these images too. You can see the footer have been also created, language have been selected. You can see this is really simple. You can simply generate or create anything. The videos is not playable right now. Now let's start how we can customize this, because we have a thing that we have created this. So to customize that, we can simply comment like replace the changing to um, noisy action. This is basically our channel name, so we can provide that replace the Gemini 3 because it already used, so we need for our website, so replace it, and then change to like is our most trusted platform, also logo. Okay, it will help the GPT and other models to identify which thing you want to replace. For this case, the Gemini, I also actually mentioned replace with something else that you want to. And then different type of links are there, like what Gemini can do stuffs. So we can do something that replace those navigations, such as what Gemini can do, subscriptions, and about Gemini to something nice, navigation, menu items, which has on select glowing effect in orange, orange, and sorry, this will be pink and purple gradient, which is our basically the YouTube our logos main primary color palette, the purple and pink shade. And then we will simply locate on press slide to the following pages. Okay, so such as if I press on this button, it will simply locate to the area, because this is a slider page, like full page or one single page slider, means there is no hyperlink. So if you want to create your sublinks like different type of pages, and then you can connect that, so it means you need to create different type of pages. Okay, so for try Gemini change to try same and open. Now following, you need to do the action like clicking on the button. So what to do? To pressing the button, I will give my channel to open for this example basically. So we simply open our channel from here. Okay, and then replace all the Gemini mentioned with Noshi action, and website contents related to this platform helps big YouTubers and as well businesses to understand ranking, rank marketing, and tube marketing steps using latest AI models. Okay, it means this type of contents that have mentioned, so it can be changed. Okay, and following learn more will be redirected to another links. Okay, so we can provide example links to learn more. Okay, and also change subtext according to the synchronizing synchronizing I think I misspelled synchronizing spelling, synchronizing format. Okay, and then uh, we have to upload the images part, which is basically important for this. So to upload the image, what do you think? To upload that image, you just simply go to the add files and you can easily replace. But this is not an easy task. To replace these images, first find the images. To find it, we can simply search on free pick if you like, or we can search to the um, pixels. We can search there. We can search such as um, office ranking, or office, normal office, kind of this image, such as we simply download from here. Let's download it. Okay, so we simply go to the this site. This is called img.bb.com. This is a free site and you don't have to sign in for that. Simply start uploading, go to the download section and you can download this image and upload from here. It will directly upload it to the site. You just simply need to copy, but don't paste, because you need to copy that and also open to another site. Now after opening, you can see our uploaded images display. So we just simply need to copy this HTML embed and simply go to these and write like replace the first image with this embed code. Simply paste here. So it means it will replace that current images. Okay. So right now, so let's see that how it is reacting, because I have almost written everything to change for my own requirements. So we simply click on this to go there, and this is the space. Basically this is a particle, so you can change different type of animation according to your requirements. But this is not simply same as this. You can see this is the particle showing. This is not same. Basically this is a motion graphics that embedded into this website hero page, but that is basically difficult for an AI studio to create. So it just simply retain everything with that same font or typography. As you can see, this website is loaded and you can see I have ordered it to change the logo. So it basically changed the logo of the Notification, and there is different type of logo is changed. And this is the link. It will open the channel over there, and you can see this is the glowing navigation, also like highlighting the underline bar. Okay. And but the problem is I told it to open like I need it to basically replace this section image, but it changed the image for this hero. Basically I didn't mention which to change, so it basically changed the concept. You can see it is saying that AI driven content creation, and there's the subtext also changed. You can press this so it will open the link, I guess, which is not updated. Basically we haven't created any external. And this is the CTR, basically thumbnail making or the prediction system. There are different type of things you can see. This is also self created the designs that is required, and you can see the settings, and this is the beeping animation. Everything you can also create using the prompt. You can change the basically the looks that needed to be. And this is some kind of line which is appear, so I need it to be removed. And these are the some attached videos. So first, this will be the second iteration. The first iteration is the first what need to be changed, the layers, colors, everything. The second will be like First, remove some irregular lines over the footer and add some particle animation showing how showing a motion graphics video how this platform would be helpful for owners, and add some random related thumbs for the bottom videos. Okay, why is that? Okay, then also we will prompt that remove what we don't need, remove the top header YouTube icon which is not needed, accidentally generated. Okay, and I need a transparent blur type header, okay, which is basically current depends on the current position, like current trend. Okay, you can see this is the basically a different type of bug, I guess, which is not that smooth. Okay, so I need a smooth type of thing. Okay, header which will blend if we scroll vertically to the below and blend with beachy color. Okay, this will be, and and footer text language can be changed, and it will change the language for the website. And now the second and most important thing for website, because you are running this website fully optimized for every platforms, like not only for the PC, rather you will upload that for mobile and tablet too. So we will simply go to the devices and switch to the mobile. So you can see this is the mobile preview, and if you think that the mobile preview is not that accurate, you can also mention, or please mention that this is not fitted that much. So we'll have to create this website for different platforms. Yes, so we need to optimize that. So you can see this is the three dot navigation, which is good, but not that what we are expecting. This is the tablet version. So we simply go to the first current device. Now now optimize the layouts, colors, sizes for the images fits, um, overall content fitting fits, uh, s- writings writings I mean text writings, basically text writings needs to be fitted for mobile, tablet, as well as PC or desktop view. it will be optimized that way basically. Okay, optimizing all the animation, loader time, also show loader animation before um, before the page is fully loaded. Okay, this kind of prompts you need to be given for different type of results. Um okay, now let's run it and let's see and let's wait for. So as you can see that our details are showing that what need to be changed or not, or either your AI tools are understand yourself like how to change, what to add it, what to insert it, everything, all the details it will show means that it is understanding your language. Okay, so now it start changing and let's see that how much or how many it can change according to our prompt. That you can see this is an AI, so it means it does not give you the accurate result as we expect. But you can see the ivory site or my site, this is really nice and fantastic that I have successfully made this site, and what required or recommended that I have given to it, and it really made it that way. So it's really nice. As you can see, our site is updated and this is different. This time you can see I have opening it from my mobile device and this is different, and you can play things like that. The animations, the scrolls are completely different and optimized for the mobile view obviously. And this is the animation is ongoing like we have discussed. And I have also given that add some thumbnails. It added the thumbnails and searched for it. You can change the language also, given the language is not changing because we need to create a different type of language then. Okay, the language is changing, yes. I didn't follow up, so it actually works again into English. Okay, so we will switch to the current site, and this is really nice. Completely different this time. You can see this is a really fantastic idea that now you can use AI tools to really create. You can also interact in with this the website. It automatically calculated the animated. You can also add animations like that. Okay, so it is really nice to have this awesome site, and you get it completely free. You can add your logo, you can and interact with your logo also. You can check, these are really fantastic. So now how we can run this, because how you can share it, because from here you cannot share it, so it's really tough. So for that, this is completely simple idea. So simply download this source code from here, like download app. Okay, it downloaded all the resources, which is basically the 52 KB. It's really low for a website. Okay, now we simply go to this site, which is called the Netlify that I'm talking about from the beginning, like netlify.com, which is basically completely doing everything. You don't have to do a single thing. Okay, so we simply sign up because we need an account. We will simply logged into our site. So now how we can upload our website. Okay, as you can see, I have already show you that you need to download from here. You can simply download this app. Okay, so it will save to your directory like that. So we can simply open the Netlify from here and simply go to the add new project and simply select this one, deploy manually. Okay, so it will give you this type of a portal to drag and drop the files. We will simply open this, simply drag and simply go to the site and drop it. So what you need to do, you don't need to do a single thing because it's building on your own. So basically it is building completely free, naturally and automatically. Okay. So our website is ready to preview. So let's see if it's working or not. As you can see, our website is successfully loaded and this is working 100% with all the previews that have been showed. So you can also interact with the previously you have done. So this is really nice. Now you can see this is what I was talking about. The first one is basically will be the name that you need to change from the Netlify. This is going to be the domain you need to purchase. So for purchasing or adding the domain, you can do it from Netlify or your hosting provider. That I have already created for this example. For this example, I already show you this that I have this thing that ivory dot space, and so for that I have already shown you that I have ivory dot space. This is the site or like the domain name the dot space I have already purchased to the GoDaddy. So you can also purchase there. So for setup to the Netlify, now go to the project settings to the project configuration, and here you need to go to the um, domain management, and over there go to the option, then select to edit project name. Now change to the desired project name. For this case I'm going to do select Zen platform. You can change like anything, whatever you like to. Okay, e that way forward. This project name taken, so you need to give it more carefully. Notification. Okay. So this is saved as notification.netlify.app. Now, if you like to configure your own domain, so what you can do, you can simply go to the add a domain, buy a domain, or simply add a domain you already own. Just write the domain you like, that I have this domain already purchased. So it will appear like this is verified. Okay, now add it. Because I have already added to a different Netlify account, so I didn't do that. But you can simply add this domain to the account and simply copy the CNAME stuffs, and your website is ready to go. So as you can see, I can genuinely open. This is the loading bar also showing, and this is the website. You can simply create this type of website absolutely free with the zero knowledge of code using Google AI Studio and stuffs, and this is completely free. You don't have to purchase for a single thing. So you just simply open or sign in for the Google AI Studio for the first to your Google account. Then after creating and changing, you just simply need to upload it to the Netlify. And for the image hosting part, you need to simply upload your images to the image.bb.com and simply get this link and copy this link to open that and embed this HTML code, obviously like the full image link, copy from here and simply replace the image you would like to, and then simply you get this type of creation with a single prompt. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, you can subscribe if you like, if you want to subscribe that. And if you want to watch more videos like this, you can also comment down below. Thanks for watching.